US indices traded mixed with modest bullishness, but we have seen a recent sharp dip in US 30 where it is now seen trading below 44k. What to expect now from S&P 500, Nasdaq and Dow Jones today with the US session, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, in the end Dow. See, if you look at S&P on the early charts, what's happening after a big rise, it is consolidated and now looking upwards. We have to wait for it to trade below 6110 levels. That is the only level below which we can expect slight bearishness towards 6100, 6092 and 6080 levels. Else what is happening, it is right now trying to recover from losses. It's a V-shaped recovery, and a breakout now above 6130-40 zone should be a confirmation of reversal, and then it will put back within this path here, which is a bullish path. So I will wait for it to now trade beyond 613032 and then 6140 levels, which will be the confirmation of reversal. Yes, this is it. Stochastic is overbought while the MACD and RSI both are rising here. And on the 2 hour charts also, look at the formation here. See, a good support is created and prices are trying to rise here. But I will say it's still early to conclude. Only beyond 6132, 3640. These are the three levels. This complete zone between 6130 to 40 is going to play a major role today. Yes, the stochastic is rising while MACD after the retracement is now crossing over trading bullish, and the RSI is rising. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, it is taking the support from 50 period, trying to bounce back, trying to put itself back in this bullish path, which means a move beyond 6140 should confirm more bullishness towards 6150-52 levels. The stochastic is rising while the MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is looking upwards, signs of bullishness. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, rise here, but I can see the bullishness is getting diminished. Wait for it to stay beyond 613240 levels, which will confirm further rise. Indicators are comfortable right now. I will not say that it is showing any signs of reversal or it is staying overbought. I will say it is still staying in zone. Wait for a breakout here. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, look at the preceding candle. See, first of all, a rise was seen, then a red candle has appeared. Look at the body size. The body size is less than half of the complete move, suggested the prices are not willing to stay bearish. Connect the highs here. You will find the lower highs means at least till 6140 levels. You should not be treating S&P as bullish. It can hit this zone and it can show a massive reversal as well, where the prices can again keep moving towards the 20 period moving average, sitting at around 60-80 levels, which is going to remain the key support levels. MACD, RSI, everything is in green and trying to show a little more rise. I would recommend you to buy here at 6132 levels and expect it to move towards 613840. Only and only if it trades above 6140, you can say that the bulls are taking over. We can look forward to 6150-52 and then 6164-65. Beyond that, sky is the limit, 6178-80 or 6200. I do not see that happening today. I still say that possibility of a reversal exists here is strong. But a selling entry I will only recommend is at 6110. Only and only if it stays below 6110, you can expect the next targets to be towards 6100 and then 6092, 6080. Below 6080 is where the bears will take over. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. See, likewise with the S&P, what we had seen for Tech 100 here, see the drop started from here after the rise consolidated, and it is now back to the zone from where the drop has started, and now 22,160 is a very good level, or rather I will say 22,160, 200, 220, 240. These are the levels you should watch out for. As long as 22,240 is not taken, do not treat this as reversal. Connect the highs here. Look at the highs and the lows, beautifully connected, and now a drop below 22,080 is a clear sign of more bearishness. As long as 22,080 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. The stochastic is overbought while the MACD and RSI both are showing a bit of rise. Look at the 2 hour charts. After a bit of convergence, it is looking upwards again. It is staying bullish, but what I am looking is this, and thus it is very important. If it trades beyond 22,160, 200, 220, 240 till 22,240, do not treat this as bullish here. Yes, the stochastic back to overbought while the MACD after retracement has now crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bullish. RSI rising as well. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, moving averages are now again starting to diverge. The stochastic is overbought. MACD has converged here but not yet crossed over. RSI showing a bit of rise. Good sign, supportive of further bullishness. What I am looking here is this. A nice flag, and this means that it is going to be difficult for Tech 100 to break beyond 22,200, 220 or 240 levels. But yes, if it does break beyond, you can stay bullish from there. Indicators is starting to look upwards, be it the MACD, RSI or stochastic. Coming to On the daily charts, what has happened? It is first look at the preceding candle. After the consolidation, this was the breakout. The body size was less than half of this complete move, which suggests that the prices were not willing to stay bearish. Also today it has now formed a double top, and it can still possibly reverse, but not if it breaks beyond 22 200 220. It, I think, in fact, let's include 22 240 as well. The reversal will be difficult. Then this will become the support, and the prices will fly off from here. The stochastic has dropped here while the MACD and RSI both are rising. So looking at this, what I'll recommend? I'll recommend a buy 22 160, expect 180 200 220 240 till 22 240. Trail with 20 points trailing stop loss. Do not treat this as bullish as long as 22 240 is not taken. But once it trades above 22 I think we are looking forward to a greater reversal and rise towards 22 300 310, 22 360, 22 400, and then in fact 22 500. Chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 22 080 levels, below which you can expect 22 040, 22,000, 21 950, 21 900, and then 21 800 levels should appear here. Yes, if it drops here below 22,000, increasing bearishness will be seen. Possibility will be high that 21 900, 21 860, or 800 levels will be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. Before we move to Dow Jones, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at US30. After the drop, it has retraced almost 50% of the rise is done, and now it is trying to reverse here, and see, such a sharp dip is seen here, such a strong reversal is seen. But I will wait for it to break below the support zone at 43 940 levels. If it trades below 43 940 and 900, stay bearish for 43 800 directly. See, stochastic looking down, the MACD again convergent here. RSI is also starting to look down. Look at the 2-hour charts. What it did, it has moved towards 20 period, hitting the resistance, trying to reverse. So now below 43 940 you can take a sell, but then you have to be very careful of 900 840 and 800. Only below 43 800 US30 is going to show major correction here. Yes, the indicators are still showing signs of bearishness after this stronger dip. Similarly, with 3-hour chart, similar observation, but this could be a double bottom here, and the prices could reverse as well. Be mindful of this. As long as 43 900 is not taken, do not read this as bearish. Stochastic looking down, MACD, RSI both are looking down here. Likewise, on the 4-hour chart, see, higher lows are seen. I will say till 43 900, be careful, and then 43 800 will come as a support here. Indicators are stochastic though is rising, while the MACD and RSI both are trading bearish. Coming to on the daily charts, what's happening? See, look at the consolidation. One bigger bearish candle today. It is yet respecting higher lows. I will wait for it to break past the preceding lows to 43 940, and then we can wait for 43 900, 43 800. Once it trades below 43 800, there is no looking back. Possibility is high that we can see a greater move, which might take it all the way towards 43 500 levels. Be mindful of this. The stochastic, MACD, RSI both are dropping here, and all are showing signs of bearishness. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry at 43 940 levels, expect 40, selling entry at 43 940, expect 43 900, 840 800. Below 43 800, stay short for 43 650, 43 500 as the next targets. On the upside, the buying position is only recommended if you see it staying above 44 200 levels. Yes, too far levels, but you cannot avoid it. 44 200 250 rather. So this 300 points spread is getting difficult for US30 to trade and handle, and thus bullishness is only beyond 44 250 levels, beyond which you can confirm the bulls are taking over, else it is showing signs of extreme bearishness here. And thus also you can initiate a buying entry at 44,020, expect 44,080 120 as the first target zone, 44,200 240 at the next. If that is taken, consider this as a reversal, and you can expect 44 500 as the next targets. So you can take a risk a little at 44,020, but with extreme caution. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Happy weekend, and do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow.